So, right now, I was just laying down, and every single day I look at my weather forecast to make sure that everything's okay outside, Here's the weather's good. And I look on this, severe weather storm watch. When I click on it, the National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch 293 in effect until 9 p.m. CDT this evening for the following areas. In Iowa, this watch includes 21 counties in Central Iowa: Grundy, Marshall, Hamilton, Tama, Hardin, Webster, in North Central Iowa; Butler, Hancock, Kossuth, Winnebago, Wright, Cerro Gordo, Humboldt, Worth, Franklin, in Northeast Iowa; Black Hawk, Bremer, in Northeast Iowa; Emmett, Palo Alto, in West Central Iowa; Cologne. This includes the cities of Ackley, Algono, Ellison, Applington, Belmond, Britt, Cedar Falls, Clairton, Clarksville, Clear Lake, Conrad, Dyke, Dumont, Dysart, Eagle Grove, Eldora, Emmetsburg, Etherville, Fonda, Forest City. Fort Dodge is where my dad right now. He's actually overseas. Garner, Gilmore City, Gradbrook, Greene, Grundy Center, Hampton, Humboldt, Iowa Falls, Kanawha, Lake City, Lake Mills, Lawrence, Manly, Manson, and I'm in Marshalltown, Mason City, Northwood, Petersburg, Pocahontas, Pomeroy, Renbeck, Rockwell City, Rolfe, Show Rock, Tama, Toledo, some of my family lives there, Traer, Waterloo, Waverly, Webster City, and Wellsburg. Primary threats include scattered large hail and isolated very large hail events to 2 inches in diameter possible. Oh my gosh, I've never had hail that big. Scattered damaging wind gusts to 20 miles per hour. A tornado or 2 possible. That's very bad. Probability table, prob of 2 or more tornadoes. 20% prob of 1 or more strong tornadoes. So there's 20% of a 20% chance of a more strong tornadoes. Probability of 10 or more severe wind events. 50% chance of 1 or more wind events. 75 miles per hour. 20% chance of probability of 10 or more severe hail events. 50% probability of 1 or more hail events, 2 inches. 30% chance probability of 6 or more combined severe hail wind events. 80% chance mean storm rotation miles per hour for east 40. That's really bad. So look out, and it expires June 20, 9 p.m. Be careful. Bye.